In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize space settings in ClickUp. ClickUp is an incredible productivity platform designed to help you and your team stay organized, manage projects, and collaborate effectively. Customizing your space settings is an essential step to tailor ClickUp to your specific needs and workflows, ensuring that your team operates as smoothly as possible. Whether you're new to ClickUp or simply looking to optimize your setup, this tutorial will guide you through the entire process step by step. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to www.clickup.com. Once the site loads, log in to your ClickUp account using your email address or any connected login provider, such as Google. If prompted, complete any additional account verification steps to ensure secure access. After logging in, verify that you've landed in the correct workspace. You can do this by checking the workspace menu near the top of the interface. If you need to switch workspaces, simply select the appropriate one from the drop-down menu. Now that you're in the right workspace, take a look at the left-hand sidebar on the home page. This sidebar contains the main navigation for all your spaces and tasks. Locate the space you want to configure in this sidebar. If your Spaces section is collapsed, expand it by clicking the small arrow icon or scroll down if necessary to find the space you're looking for. Once you've identified the space, hover your mouse over its name. You'll notice a three dots icon, also called the ellipses, appear next to the space name. Click on this three dots icon to open the context menu. From there, select More, and then choose All Space Settings from the submenu. Now you're in the Space Settings menu, where you can start customizing. Begin by updating the space name, description, and color. This is a great way to make the space easily identifiable for your team and to provide context about its purpose. Next, review the available features for the space. ClickUp offers tools like Docs for creating documents, Sprints for managing short-term tasks, and Time Tracking for monitoring how long tasks take. Toggle these features on or off depending on your team's specific needs. After that, adjust the task statuses to reflect the stages of your workflow. For example, you might include statuses like In Progress, Blocked, or Done. Tailoring these statuses ensures that everyone on the team understands the progress of tasks at a glance. You can also set default views for the space. ClickUp provides options such as list, board, and calendar views. Choose the one that best suits your team's workflow, and it will appear as the default layout whenever someone accesses the space. Another important step is to check sharing and permissions. This is where you can control who has access to the space and what level of access they have. You can specify whether users can create, edit, or delete items, ensuring that permissions align with your team's structure. Once you've made all your updates, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save or Save Changes button and click it to confirm everything you've configured. Finally, return to the space and double-check that all the statuses, features, and views are set up as intended. Make sure everything looks and functions the way you want it to for your team. And that's it. You've successfully customized your space settings in ClickUp. If you're new to ClickUp or don't yet have an account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.